Welcome back to the Non-Artist 10-Day Challenge. Today is day 6, and I'm so glad you guys are back and ready to do some artwork. So today we're going to be searching for a little inspiration. So today we're going to look around on Pinterest, Instagram, wherever you find inspiration, and find some fonts that we really enjoy. So just kind of look around, find some that you think might be fun to try out. I decided to do 3. If you want to do more than that, you're welcome to. Then once you have those 3, we are going to test them out on paper. So if you want, you are welcome to try it out using pencil first and then go over it with ink. And you're welcome to try out some different mediums too if you want. But try to write your name and your favorite word in each of those 3 fonts. So again, you can do more fonts if you want, but I would recommend doing at least 3 and just test them out. And don't worry if they don't look exactly perfect. My handwriting is pretty awful, so to just try it out is a great thing for you to do. Okay, so you should have your name and your favorite word in 3 different fonts. Great job, guys. That is it for day 6, and I can't wait to see you for day 7. Thanks for watching.